going on, everybody? Today we have this mini split that stopped working, and here's why. You can see rodents got in here, probably rats, and they chewed up all kinds of wires, and they made their nest throughout this outdoor unit. When these scenarios happen, you need to take immediate action, because if you don't, like this, I'm not going to recommend you fix this 15-year-old mini split. We're probably going to just replace it, but you need to call an exterminator before this costs you thousands of dollars in repairs, or relocate this unit somewhere else, the new one, where they can't be touched, or a combination of both.